there's a lot of competition. There's a lot of commoditization that's going on in control systems integration businesses. And how do you set yourself apart from other integrators? Gabe, I think I'll give you a chance to comment first on that. So how do you set yourself apart and handle the competition?
Generally, we offer services that span all the way from project concept through preliminary design, detailed design, construction, and aftercare. And I believe that's what makes us so competitive in these categories is our adoption of the latest technologies across all disciplines, creating a superior value.
Great, thanks. And JC, how do you differentiate yourselves? How do you handle the commoditization of the competition world?
Well, Don, when we're proposing work or entering into a competitive bid situation, we try to concentrate on our services and our the abilities and the technologies that our company brings to the table, as opposed to concentrating on other integrators. All of our engineers are trained. Most of them are trained to the highest level that Ignition offers, and so we approach it with a lot of confidence, and we just talk more about our company as opposed to the competition.
I think, actually, JC, I know you mentioned that yesterday too. I think it's a very, very positive and powerful point, is to focus on what you can do, focus on your competencies, the competencies of your team and what you can bring to the party to serve your customers, because it's a good, positive, high road based on effectiveness that I think is a very strong differentiator. So, Mark, Duarte, how about yourselves and what you do with Overbridge?
Well, I think number one is we listen and understand what the issue is or what the solution the client thinks they're after. These days, we no longer discuss the cost of the platform, what's involved as far as operating systems, et cetera, because Ignition is an open platform, published cost system. There's no surprises. They can go on the website and see how much it costs, and they know what it's going to cost them. What we do is we're more or less in a consulting relationship with them, understanding the issue, come up with a solution, and what it is we package our solution in the form of software and encapsulate it in Ignition. That becomes the vehicle to supply the solution. I think number one is everything we do is based upon the individual customer's needs. There's nothing canned that we do. We go in, understand what they want to do, and put together a solution that's tailored specifically for them. Because of the way Ignition works, we can do it in a very cost-effective manner. It's
Great.
not a case where it's customized code.
Thanks, Mark. And Dee, your thoughts?
Well, I'd have to agree with what Mark just said, that we do have to tailor fit the solutions to the client's needs. And you know, even though we try to tout our engineering services and professional qualifications, we obviously do design build projects that we're no two are alike. And so you've got to be able to tailor fit that. You've got to listen well to what the customer's needs are. But we found that the tool set with Ignition really helps that, because some folks are still happy with the one screen in the control room on the operator's console, but other folks are becoming more mobile. They want email alerts and text-based alerts, and that's how they rely on those to help them manage their system. Utility companies may operate very differently, say from a privately owned data center. We've done several data center monitoring system projects that have a different set of goals than what a traditional control system might look like. And so being able to listen to that and tailor it to what the owner wants is a real key.